How's it going, Central New York? First Alert meteorologist Mike Brookins. Very quiet weekend here, and as we start the new week, looks like it's going to feel a lot more like springtime Monday than what we would normally find this time of the year. It was just a few degrees above average on Saturday night, 4 degrees above average. We climbed 5 degrees. You know, it seems like every single day in 2012, though, above average. We made it up to 37. Typically, we're at 32. And it looks like tonight will be a good 10 degrees above that normal low of 16. Record low on this date, minus 19, 55. The record high, only a trace of snow. So we're now more than 4 feet below average, close to 100 inches off of what we had at this point last year, 31.8 inches of snow. We're not going to get any snow accumulation tonight. Mainly dry. There may be some isolated to scattered light flurries over the north country, but no accumulation even there. And not as cold. We'll have some of those clouds in and out, plus the breeze starts to freshen, and it will be breezy but also mild coming up on Monday with lots of sunshine, some clouds mixing in early and late. Now we say mild, and it will be between 45 and 50. But with that breezy condition, it may not feel quite that warm. So just remember that. Warning you. Tuesday, some morning snow showers and flurries will be tapering off in the early afternoon. Could get some accumulation Monday night after midnight and then through the morning on Tuesday. But it doesn't look like it's a very strong system. And really still at this point, no major events for central New York over the next 7 days. We've got a warm front that's going to be pushing through tonight and early on Monday. And that's what's giving us the clouds at times and the threat for precipitation. Now, most of the snow is up here in Canada, Ontario and Quebec. Some of it will make it down, maybe to east of Lake Ontario in the form of isolated to scattered light flurries. And I think all we get is the clouds here in Syracuse. And this is what the weather we're looking forward to on Monday is lots of clear sky, and it's warmer back there. So here's your futurecast starting at 2 o'clock in the morning. Warm front continuing to move along. Still holding on to a variably cloudy sky here. And maybe a chance for a flurry or two well to the northeast and north of Syracuse, east of the lake, an odd light flurry going over towards the Adirondack Mountains. We'll have a better chance for seeing some clear skies down towards the southern tier, and those clouds continue to move along. Still an isolated flurry to the northeast at 6 a.m., and it looks like the wind's picking up out of the southwest, quickly warming us up in the morning into the middle 40s here by noon with a high temperature of 47 in Syracuse and lots of sunshine. Quiet conditions to start this week. Sunshine and clouds to finish the day, and some of these snow showers coming in after midnight Monday night. Now it'll be sooner in the north country. A trace to an inch likely for Syracuse in spots. Not everyone gets that. Up in the north country, a trace to 2 inches, with the most being found probably on the Tug Hill. High temperatures, look at that, 46 in Albany, 47 in Syracuse, almost 50 in Rochester. So our forecast, 26 the low, and temperatures slowly starting to climb as we go through the overnight hours, as the wind will be picking up out of the west at 5 to 15. So that mixes up the air a little bit. Plus we'll have a variably cloudy to partly cloudy sky. We have a chance for snow. Those little flurries you see, that's well to our north and northeast of Syracuse. As we go through the morning, isolated light flurries over the Adirondacks and the north country come to an end. We'll find sunshine and clouds giving way to lots of sunshine late morning through midday and early afternoon. Then some clouds start to increase late day. It'll be breezy in the afternoon, but mild. 47 degrees our high temperature. That's 15 degrees above average. We'll roll out the 7-day forecast now. 30 on Monday night. Not much temperature rise on Tuesday. 31 falling into the 20s. Monday night, snow showers and flurries developing after midnight. Could get a minor accumulation. Also a little bit more on Tuesday morning before it tapers off. Just some scattered flurries early on Wednesday, passing to the south. We'll be back up in the upper 30s Thursday.